Good morning everyone. In this video, I Vanchika and my friend Myra will discuss about home science in depth. We will be covering that what is home science, relevance of home science, is home science for both girls and boys, areas of home science and different career options in home science. The first question arises that what is home science? Home science is now called human ecology and family sciences. It is a multidisciplinary field of study which comes under the faculty of science and humanities together, and so we call it a blend of arts and science. Science because we will study scientific terms in it, and arts because it is full of innovation and creativity. It will make us learn about how to manage our skills effectively and efficiently.
Relevance of home science. In past years, people had a thinking that only women do households and men cannot, as they have to work to earn money. But now people have realized that managing a home requires the efforts of all the family members. So, home science has a very important role in one's life, as one can manage own resources in a better way. It opens up innumerable careers for both men and women. The knowledge of home science helps in the improvement of not only your home and personal life but also your professional life. Is home science for both boys and girls? Absolutely yes. There is no discrimination between boys and girls in home science. Both have to share household responsibilities and tasks and should know how to manage resources. Home science offers varied vocational and professional avenues for both boys and girls. Joint knowledge and skills help to improve the standard of living. Nowadays, if a boy wants to become a chef, he can for sure. And if a girl wants to become an entrepreneur, she also can because home science has made it come true.
Areas of home science. There are 5 areas of home science which are food and nutrition, fabric and apparel science, communication and extension, resource management, and human development. These 5 areas together make up home science. Food and nutrition includes nutrition and food we should eat in different situations. Fabric and apparel includes the activity of tie and dye and block printing on different fabrics. In communication and extension, we understand community behavior, socialism, and spread awareness of gender equality in rural areas. Resource management includes how to manage our resources effectively. Human development includes all the stages of human development from birth to death, like adolescence and adulthood.
Different career options in home science. By studying human development in depth, one can become a child counselor, open their own daycare centers, or work in NGOs. By doing food nutrition, one can become a chef, nutritionist, dietitian, or take cooking classes and teach others. By doing course in resource management, one can become consumer activist, interior designer, human resource manager or event manager. By studying fabric and apparel sciences, one can become fashion designer, fabric technologist, open their own boutiques or open their tie and dye or block printing centers. By studying communication and extension, one can become social entrepreneur, work in government projects, or become an actor or director. Food and nutrition. Food acts as a fuel to our body, which is utilized and provides energy to us. Nutrition is the process of intake of food. Nutrition will teach us about different types of nutrients and in what amount we should consume them. Health depends on how and what type of food we eat. This field will make us learn that what to eat, how much to eat, what is correct method about cooking food, the knowledge about different types of diseases, their prevention, care of sick and many more. Therefore, this field enables us to make wise choice about foods, methods of cooking, serving, and preserving of food.
Fabric and apparel science. Fabrics and clothes are all around us. They give warmth, comfort, and bring color and decorative style. Clothes play an important role in showing our personality. Fabric and apparel science gives the knowledge about fiber science, proper fiber and fabric selection, care and maintenance for different types of fibers, classification of fabrics seen around us. We will practically also learn tie and dye and block printing on fabrics.
Resource management. Resource management is the managing of resources around us efficiently and effectively of various resources like human resources, natural resources, and non-material resources. Human resources includes human skills and ability. Natural resources like water, air, soil, and wood, etc. And non material resources are time, money, and energy. It gives us knowledge about planning, designing, and art which is applied in the interior decoration. It tells us the interests of community and problems of consumers.
Communication and extension. This field gives us knowledge about needs of family and community, information on issues like immunization, childcare, prenatal and postnatal care of women, ORS, hygiene, sanitation, etc. is given to uneducated people of slums and rural areas. Spreading awareness is important to the people living in rural areas for hygiene. It helps us to understand the issues and concerns related to gender like gender equality, women's empowerment and gender sanitization.
Evolution of human ecology and family sciences. Home science has been evolved to human ecology and family sciences. Early 20th century, there were many institutions in different parts of the country that had introduced courses in food and nutrition, clothing and textiles, as well as extension education. Human ecology word deals with the relationships of humans with ecosystem, that is the environment around us. Family sciences term is an equality significant in the title.
Misconceptions about home science. The education of the subject is meant for only girls. This subject is only associated with culinary and laundry, but this is not true. Everyone can study home science. It's not just about cooking and laundry. It makes us learn plenty of things which are important in one's life, like nutrition, management of resources, and interests of consumers.
Types of employment. There are two types of employment: wage employment and self employment. Wage employment means that one works for another organization and receive wages or salary for services. Example: an employee working in a company is paid every month. Self employment means that the individual is the owner of the enterprise. Example: Mukesh Ambani owns Reliance Industries.
Home science and its goals. Home science has many different goals like food, nutrition and cookery, household management, textiles and clothing, health, first aid and home nursing, child development and mothercraft, human relationship, and ability to manage home and family.